Hey, listen, we all have the right to slow down and take time to think. If somebody's trying to get you to do something, asking you if something, have a request for you, you have the right to stop, slow down, take time and think. Allowing yourself to be, when someone pushes you, and you allow that, that's passivity. You're being passive. And if you push someone, you're being aggressive. So this is a rule in relationships that just allows everybody to take time to think, and you're not going to be pushed, and not allow themselves to be pushed. But I do want to bring this to your attention. Never ever use this as an excuse or an avoidance to say no. That's where you get yourself into trouble. A lot of times people will say, well, I'll think about it, I'll let you know, when really all they simply need to do is say, no, I don't think I want to do that. So the rule is, you have the right to take time and think, but never ever do you have the right to use that as an avoidance to saying no. Hey, step up there and learn how to say no when you need to say no. It's freedom. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. God bless.